In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mozbar to Chrome. Mozbar is a fantastic tool, especially if you're diving into the world of SEO, and adding it to your Chrome browser is a straightforward process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to launch Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome for the best performance and compatibility with extensions. With Chrome open and ready, our next destination is the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by typing Chrome Web Store into your browser's address bar and hitting enter, or simply by searching for it on your favorite search engine. Once you're on the web store's homepage, you should see a search box prominently displayed. In that search box, type in Mozbar and press enter. This search will bring up a list of extensions related to your query. What you're looking for is the official Mozbar extension by Moz. This is vital because the official version is regularly updated and supported, ensuring the best functionality and security. Mozbar is known for providing valuable SEO metrics such as domain authority, page authority, link analysis, and on-page SEO insights, so it's an essential tool for marketers and SEO enthusiasts. Once you've found Mozbar, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Click on Add Extension in this window. Chrome will then automatically take care of the rest, downloading and installing Mozbar for you. It's a quick process, usually only taking a few moments. After the installation is complete, you'll need to sign in to Moz to start using the extension. To do this, click on the extensions icon in Chrome, which looks like a small puzzle piece. Find Mozbar in the list and select it. If you already have a Moz account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you can create a free account directly from this interface. Having an account is necessary to access the full range of metrics Mozbar offers. Now, if you want easy access to Mozbar, you might want to pin it to your toolbar. To do this, click on the extensions icon again, and then click the pin icon next to Mozbar. This will keep it visible on your toolbar, allowing you to quickly access it whenever you need to check SEO metrics. Once everything is set up, you can begin using Mozbar by visiting any website and clicking the Mozbar icon. This will open up a suite of tools and metrics for you to explore, such as analyzing page elements, highlighting links, and accessing domain authority information. It's a powerful way to gain insights into your own site and your competitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added Mozbar to Chrome. Enjoy exploring the valuable insights it provides and making data-driven decisions to enhance your SEO strategy.